Hey folks, Vitaly here from HelpingHandAffiliate.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new algorithm update that Google is releasing in regards to product reviews. And here's an official article that I will also be linking to below this YouTube video that gets into the details of this stuff. And this is actually a very, very positive thing that they've released because in a nutshell, they're basically saying that the higher quality product reviews that you create on Google, the better ranked you will be. And as a result, you can get ranked higher. And from that, you can make more money. If you're doing affiliate marketing like I personally do, this is good news for me. If you're someone that's running a website and you're doing product reviews just to get the exposure and the traffic, maybe you're running ads on the site, more traffic means you can make more money as a result. And this is great because it caters to independent content creators more than anything else. And this is great because for the past 15 years or so, a lot of people don't know this. They think that this is a new thing, but Google has actually been for the past 15 years constantly evolving their algorithm to try to prioritize the best possible content. And now it's more focused on the topic of product reviews. Product reviews have always been a thing where if you write good quality content where you're reviewing a certain product, you're going to get ranked higher no matter what. It's just that it's more defined now with this new particular update that's going on. So it's not really like this new change came about that's never been seen before. It's just an evolution of a process that's already been going on for the past 15 years. And typically the advice that I have for people, because I do a lot of product reviews and I do make a full-time income from affiliate marketing. These are some of my income reports. I also promote things like this jacket over here. I've made a couple of sales off that, among other things that I promote. So I have a great deal of experience with the subject of product reviews and have been doing that for many years. And the advice that I give people is generally very simple. There's actually a couple of videos that I'm going to include underneath this particular video and links to advice on this subject. But generally speaking, I recommend that if you're someone that's just getting involved with this kind of stuff, or perhaps you're trying to create better quality product reviews, the best place to start is find a product that you own and love and basically create a YouTube video review or a blog post reviewing that particular product and just basically expressing why it's so good. Create bullet points as to the pros and cons. Talk about your experiences with that product that you've had, how long you've had it for. Express why it's a very good product and why you love it. And generally speaking, this gets really good feedback from people that read your product reviews, because anyone that's interested to find a product or information about a product online, whether they go on Google or perhaps they go on YouTube to search up product review so-and-so, blah, 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 they're interested in one way or another to get that product. And the more emotionally you connect with them by expressing what it's done for you, the more better off you are in selling that product. And the better that feedback is from the people that read or watch your product reviews, the better it's going to get ranked, because one of the ways that Google judges how high quality a product review of yours is basically, for example, if somebody finds your article on Google reviewing a certain product, they'll look at things like how long people stay on your blog to read that particular article, that product review, if they're leaving comments, if they're sharing it, if they're coming back to that post. It's all indications of someone that likes your content, and that's an example of high quality content. While you do get specifics over here about what you should do in order to capitalize on this new algorithm update, the bottom line is the same rules that have always pretty much applied to creating high quality product reviews, which I just explained to you, are still going to apply just as much here, and even more so with this new algorithm update. So like I said, I'm not going to get into too many details about writing or creating product reviews. I will be leaving links, however, underneath this video in the description to help enhance that, because I have already created content on the subject as well, and pretty much everything that I've been saying about creating good product reviews still very much applies, even more so now with this algorithm update. So with that said, if you have any questions about this particular subject, you're more than welcome to ask me underneath this video. But with that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.